You're recording.
Okay.
Alright, 22. Say it in your GoPro.
22.
Thanks. Because it's hard for me to see what the trails say when I'm editing the video.
Okay.
This one's really easy. I did it yesterday. Tight right here.
Yeah, it is.
Right. Watch this downhill. A little off camber.
Great.
Watch some roots. Shoot left up the hill. Plenty of gas. There you go. Oh. Hit 'em. Shoot left up the hill. Oh. Think you're getting it.
I am. Actually getting the feel for the bike.
Yeah. Whoa.
Free. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay.
Yeah.
I just overshot it, that's why I was nervous. I didn't think I was going to come back down from it.
Yeah, they were not afraid to build lots of switchbacks in this system.
No, they were not.
The dip right there.
Oh crap. Mason needs a GoPro one just to be recording me how goofy I am.
I know, I kind of wish you were in front of me so I could record you, but I hate for you to have to navigate the terrain first, never have been on it before.
Yeah.
Nice climb. Hard right at the top. Right.
Oh crap.
1 to 21 now. Short and easy.
On to 21.
21 Jump Street.
Oh, big boogie. See, I love this stuff.
Yeah, this is nice. It's just relaxing.
Just the other stuff I gotta get used to again.
Well, it doesn't make any sense that this is 22, but those steep climbs were on 13 and 14.
Yeah.
I mean, you just wouldn't think it. I wonder if we could get her down 60, down to 69 there.